Hello future doctors. In this video, I include important questions for NEET from the chapter Cell Cycle and Cell Division. If you all like the video, please like, share and comment, and please support our channel by subscribing it. In plant cell, spindle is formed from 1 cytoplasm, 2 ER, 3 nuclear membrane, 4 centrosome. Right answer is 1 cytoplasm. In a diploid cell, what will be the amount of DNA at the end of G2? 1 4n, 2 8n, 3 2n, 4 1n. Right answer is 1 4n. New cell membrane during animal cytokinesis arises from 1 endoplasmic reticulum, 2 Golgi bodies, 3 nucleus, 4 microfilaments. Right answer is 1 endoplasmic reticulum. In Pachytene stage of meiosis, the chromosomes are 1 single stranded, 2 3 stranded, 3 double stranded, 4 4 stranded. Right answer is 4 4 stranded. Bivalents are formed in 1 diploidine, 2 pachytene, 3 zygote, 4 interkinesis. Right answer is 3 zygote. What is the average cell cycle span for a mammalian cell? 136 hours, 224 hours, 348 hours, 412 hours. Right answer is 224 hours. Recombination is completed by the end of 1 zygote, 2 leptote, 3 pachytene, 4 diploide. Right answer is 3 pachytene. Most of the histone production during cell cycle occurs in 1 G0 phase, 2 G1 phase, 3 S phase, 4 G2 phase. Right answer is 3 S phase. Which stage is marked by terminalization of chiasmata? 1 zygote, 2 pachytene, 3 diploide, 4 diakinesis. Right answer is 4 diakinesis. Identify the meiotic stage in which the homologous chromosomes separate while the sister chromatids remain associated at their centromeres. 1 anaphase 1, 2 anaphase 2, 3 metaphase 1, 4 metaphase 2. Right answer is 1 anaphase 1. Spindles are arrested by colchicine at 1 anaphase, 2 metaphase, 3 telophase, 4 prophase. Right answer is 2 metaphase. Chiasmata can be distinctively seen in 1 zygote, 2 pachytene, 3 diploide, 4 diakinesis. Right answer is 3 diploide. In which phase of cell division is oocyte arrested? 1 anaphase 2, 2 prophase 1, 3 interphase, 4 both prophase 1 and 2. Right answer is 2 prophase 1. In a diploid cell, at which stage of cell cycle the amount of DNA is doubled? A G1 and G2 phase, B G0 phase, C S G2 and M phase, D S phase. Right answer is D S phase. Colchicine inhibits A prophase, B anaphase, C interphase, D spindle formation. Right answer is D spindle formation. The checkpoint in cell cycle plays important role in A. Repair DNA damage, B. Apoptosis initiation, C. Access DNA damage, D. Inhibit cell damage. Right answer is C. Assess DNA damage. When synapsis is complete all along the chromosome, the cell is said to have entered a stage called A. Zygote, B. Pachytene, C. Diploide, D. Diakinesis. Right answer is B. Pachytene. Which of the following is key event of anaphase of mitotic division? A. Chromosomes are moved to spindle equator and get aligned through spindle fibers to both poles. B. Centromeres split and chromatids separate. C. Chromosomes cluster at opposite spindle poles and their identity is lost as discrete elements. D. Both B and C. Right answer is B. Centromere split and chromatids separate. Chromosome number is reduced during meiosis because the process consists of A. 2 cell divisions without any chromosome replication, B. A single cell division without any chromosome replication, C. 2 cell divisions in which half of chromosomes are destroyed, D. 2 cell divisions and only a single round of chromosome replication. Right answer is D. 2 cell divisions and only a single round of chromosome replication. Which of the following statements is incorrect about G0 phase? A. Mitosis occurs after G0 phase. B. Biocatalysts can be used to exit G0 phase. C. C. Cell volume keeps on increasing during this phase. D. Cell metabolism occurs continuously in G0 phase. Right answer is A. Mitosis occurs after G0 phase. Beads on string-like structures of A are seen in B, which further condense to form chromosomes in C stage of cell division. A. Chromonema chromatin metaphase. B. Chromatin chromatid metaphase. C. Chromonema chromosome anaphase. D. Chromonema chromatid anaphase. Right answer is A. Chromonema chromatin metaphase.